Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Redmi 10. Okay, for that we will have three ways for. Let me show you the first one. It works with the buttons. So we will need the power button for and the volume down button. So press these both buttons now for the same time and we will have a screenshot. After you can see here the preview, or you can send it here directly with WhatsApp and Telegram and so on to your friends. Okay, one more time. The power button and the volume down button just for short together and we will have a screenshot. If you tap now here on the preview, we are able also to edit the screenshot, so we can draw something inside, or we can also crop here a part, what is very nice, maybe if you want to crop a picture from a website or something like this. And so let's crop here the Google bar just for our example. And yeah, very nice. If you're ready with it, just go here on save and it is part of your gallery. So there's a second way to take a screenshot. For that we will need our fingers. So take 3 fingers and just swipe them down across the screen and we will have a screenshot as well. So one more time, take 3 fingers, swipe them across the screen and we will have a screenshot as well. And there's a third way, but it's a bit complicated, I think, but just to make it complete. The third way is you have to scroll down right next to the camera. Then you have here the control center, and then you have here the icon with the scissor in it. And if you tap it, you will have as well a screenshot. Okay, where to find your screenshots after? Of course, here at the gallery. And as you can see at the pictures here, or the photos, you don't see your screenshots. If you want to see your screenshots, you have to go here on the point albums. And here the screenshots have their own folder just with your screenshots. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos. If you're interested in or may subscribe me if you haven't done it before. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe at the next time. Ciao.